Hi there. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite tips on how to take better travel photos using light. Now, light is one of those things that you will hear every photographer talk about. It is one of the main things that can change a photo dramatically when you use light properly. Now, it does take time to really know and understand how to use light effectively to show the mood or the atmosphere that you want to portray in your photos. But in these tips and steps that I'm going to show you next, it is going to be able to start you off in doing these things immediately and improve your travel photos astronomically. So let's jump right in.
Light is one of the most important things that affect the outcome of your photo. Now, it's not the easiest thing to master. It's taken me years to really master how I use light that is available in the scene that I'm taking a photo of. But we can start from the very beginning with the basics to help you get the best out of the light. First, you want to understand when the best time of day is to take photographs outside. Now, the golden hours, I'm sure you probably have heard of this term, but this is at sunrise and at sunset, and it is the 30 to 60 minutes before and after the sun rises or the sun sets. These will produce beautiful light. Now, when you're looking for lighting for people, again, the golden hour is super flattering and it will not create harsh shadows on someone's face. Now, if you are going to be outside during bright sunshine in the middle of the day, you want to seek a full shade spot right on the edge of the light. So what this means is you want to go into a spot that is in shade, but near where the sun comes in as well. So when you look down on the ground, you'll see a sunny spot and then you'll see a shady spot. Stand in the shady spot with your toes and body facing towards the light. That will produce really beautiful light. This you can also do with someone standing inside of a doorway facing outside. Now, another one you can do if you're inside, you want to go towards the windows, and these are going to have nice natural light for your subject. One of the cheats that you can use with your digital camera is that you can just have it on like the selfie mode and just turn around in the scene. So pick a place where you want to take a photo and then just go around in a whole circle, having the camera facing you the whole time, and you'll see there'll be one spot that just pops up and your face just lights up beautifully. So this way is a very easy and effective way to find really good light quickly for someone. Now with night shots, you want to leave your flash off. The flash on cell phones and cameras are not really good. So they're just going to, add a really bright light to whatever you're going to be taking a photo of, and it's just not going to be very flattering. So if you are needing extra light, you can use a secondary light source. So you can use a friend's flashlight app on their phone. You can also have a little flashlight with you that you can use. Also, if you are able to take the photo from different angles, choose the angle that has a lot more ambient light coming in. You can also use candlelight to your advantage as well in certain areas. You want to be aware when you're taking photos in low light, like in churches and temples, as well as night shots like this one here. If there is not enough light in the image, you can come away with blurry photos. This happens when you are trying to take these types of photos and you're just trying to hold the camera with your hands. Because the camera takes longer to read everything in the scene when it is in low light, you are just not able to hold the camera steady enough for as long as it takes because it picks up every tiny little movement. Now, cell phone cameras are getting better and better all the time in low light situations, but there are things that you can help with this. One thing is you can use a mini tripod. These are now very lightweight and small and very easy enough to pack and also put in your bag for the day. Another one is you can steady the camera by using a flat surface around you. So instead of holding it with your hands, you want to place it down onto the flat surface and use that as like a tripod substitute. And lastly, another one would be you want to find more light in the image by getting closer to the bright areas. So instead of taking a wide shot where you may not have a lot of light, where it is possible, you want to move in closer to take more close-up shots of a specific part in that image. That way it's going to be able to have enough light.
Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new that you're going to be putting into action. Now, if you have any comments or questions, please put them down below. If you like this video, please subscribe and press that like button. If you want any more information on how to take better travel photos, head over to my website, as I have a course dedicated to showing you all the things that you need to know for travel photography to get better photos. I'll put the link down below. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.